Hey, Queens and Kings, welcome back and happy Wednesday. So, obviously, we're back in town. I'm back home, but my house is a wreck. So, I really need to do some cleaning up. I tried to do a little bit before I left, but baby, that didn't work out because then you start looking for things that you miss and stuff like that. So, just a disclaimer, I done took my wig on off. I done took my shower. Clean my face and everything. So if I look a little ashy, excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. But we're gonna start cleaning up this house. I'm gonna show you guys how junky this place is looking. I got tons of clothes that I need to fold up and put away, hang up, fold up, hang up, put away. That's what I need to do. Where I had washing a lot of stuff before I left, and I just dumped them out on the dining room table. My living room, all the luggage is there. The bathroom, hold on, wait for it. Brace yourself. Look at the bathroom. Yup, a fairy. No, not a fairy at all. Baby, the bathroom needs to be cleaned up. So I need to put all this stuff away, but I think I'm going to start here in the bathroom because I need to get rid of this stuff first before I can actually clean the bathroom. The room need to be cleaned too as well. Andre room need to be clean, but not so much. I actually want to just take everything off and wash it again because I think I did it before he left. Do this here. I had him tuck some of my dirty clothes out and wash them when I came home because I washed some more clothes and stuff like that. So all them clothes went just from before I left to go on vacation. Then I have clothes in here that I didn't get to wear. Some of the stuff I didn't get to wear, like you guys have seen by now. I didn't get to wear some of the things. So, but I'm gonna wear them somewhere else though. So yeah, when that time comes, I'll let you guys know. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and start on this bathroom because honey, that is driving me crazy. And that wig just sitting there looking at me, and I'm looking at it, and it looking at me, and I'm looking at it. It like I'm not gonna move unless you move me. So yeah. All right, so we got all that done there, and it's time to try to clean this bathroom. This part I don't want to do. All right, y'all, so the bathroom is finally clean. Babe actually cleaned it up for me because, baby, I ain't gonna never get to it other than besides what I had already done, and that was just take the stuff off of the counters. That was it. So everything is good to go, and I'm liking that for me because I didn't have to do it this time. Okay. You love me some him.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still.
All right, so it is 8:56 at night. I haven't done anything, honestly, besides the bathroom. And when I say bathroom, just the makeup and stuff, all the stuff I clean off the counter. I didn't even clean the bathroom because I ended up coming in here in the living room, and I was like, I gotta get this together. And started working on the living room, which you all seen. Ain't did much to it. Changed some little decor around pieces and stuff like that, but not much. You see back the mountain of clothes still on the table. I had my son to take the trash out when he came. Other than that, I ain't doing that because I started talking to Babe. I started talking to my sister, which is the one that I went to Jamaica with. Nitra, you all have seen Nitra several times. Started talking to her. I fed my face. Child. And that's about it. That's about it. So this is what I did to the living room. So this is the before.
Well, this morning.
So this is the after of this location here. Just want to change some things. This was looking too blah. It was full of glam and crystals and murals, and I was like, okay, I need to break that up. So I did that.
Jordan Page is a dangerous man. Not so.
And this is the after of the coffee table. What I got going on here. I know the books stand out, but it's like I wanted the Bible on there. Someone would text me at this point, but I wanted the Bible on the coffee table. And then over here, then I did this like this over here. That's it. A lot of you all recommend for to get a bigger table. Honestly, I haven't found nothing that I like yet, so that's why I haven't never got another table. But I still have other ideas. I like this couch because I could do certain things with it. So I have this ideal in my mind to pretty much close in this area some, but that's gonna be another video though. But this is all I done. So I started watching YouTube, and this is what I was able to do. Okay.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, I think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, yeah, always meant to be. It was always meant to be. My head above the water. Finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water, finally I can breathe again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. I see a new horizon. My 2 feet steady on the ground. With you I found my reason. Yeah, to keep chasing what we found. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. New horizon, finally I can see again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. Dream, dream, dream. moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you.